At a 2022 Ducati Panigale V4S. Our friends over at Private Club Motorsports was nice enough to allow me to ride it. The last Ducati I owned was a 2021. And when I got on this bike last night, I immediately felt the differences. You know, first and foremost, visually, you can see that they changed the wings from 2022 to 2024. You see, even if you look close, they actually has another scoop right here, which is kind of cool. I've never noticed that before. That was a pretty cool change right there. The next thing I noticed was actually they changed the dash. It's kind of like a MotoGP type inspired dash. The next thing I saw was the tank. You know, sitting on it, it's a completely redesigned tank. And you can feel it. You know, you can feel the differences. It makes you tuck a little bit better. You know, and the thing with Ducatis is they have the reputation of being extremely hot bikes. You know, when you're riding a Duck, especially down here and the heat in the summer time, you will not catch me riding a Ducati, ain't no way. But what they did from the 2022 and 2024 years, they actually added some extra gills here. And not only can you see these visual gills, they added more gills on the bottom for the airflow to be able to cool the bike even more. That was pretty cool. And I mean, everybody, the most important thing to me is they added a horsepower, 1.5 horsepower more. The second thing I really felt the difference of is the ease of riding it. It was super easy to ride. You know, Ducati has a reputation of being very rugged, being very rough, especially at low speeds. My 1299 Anniversario, we nicknamed that thing the Bucking Bronco because, man, it was, especially at low speeds, it was extremely rough to ride, and it wasn't happy until you gave it full throttle. That's when these bikes, I guess because of the tune from the factory, they changed it in 22, it's a lot more rider friendly, you know, and the power delivery is a lot more linear than being just so rugged and rough on the low end. Also the forks, you know, they upgraded those between the 22 and the 24, which I completely dig too. They did a new seat as well. Another thing they did actually with the transmission is they did longer gearing ratios. So actually first, second, and sixth gear, they have the V4R gearing. So, you know, when you're at the track, you can actually get a little bit longer, you know, longer gearing for your turns, you know, coming through that apex, boom, gunning it, and then shifting. Overall, I must say I had never ridden a 22 to a 24. I am very, very impressed with these bikes and what Ducati did to them. The motor, getting the extra horsepower and a half, in my opinion, this is one of the sexiest bikes ever made. I mean, my 2017, I keep going back to this bike because I absolutely loved it. My 2017 Anniversario, I love the look of this bike, but this bike is pretty much that bike on steroids. Look how aggressive, how wide. If y'all been following the channel, y'all seen we picked up a 21 just recently. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is the OG, and the 25 we ordered from Temu or something, because that's how it looks. God damn, imagine. That's the Temu version. This is the OEM version, bro. Nah, this bike is drop dead sexy. Guys, this Panigale is probably the most beautiful bike ever produced, in my opinion. I mean, just look at this thing. It's perfection. You got vents here, vents here, vents here, vents on the bottom, just that aggressive look. Obviously, the biggest difference aesthetically to me from the previous model gens to the new 25s is the single-sided swing arm. Come on now, how can you not be a fan of a single-sided swing arm? This thing is absolutely amazing. And they come with the Marcescini forged wheels stock. This thing is gorgeous. Yeah, the 25, they're saying it might be a few tenths of a second faster on the track, but man, for an average rider like me, I'll take the single-sided swing arm any day of the week over the double-sided swing arm. Guys, don't forget, this bike is on sale right now. Private Club Motors, Go check them out. They'll take care of you. Less than 400 miles. You better snag this up quick. And it's already got some carbon on it here. You got genuine Ducati carbon on the top of the tank. Man, you can't beat it. You got the front fender carbon fiber. Y'all better hurry up because I might buy this bike for myself. That's it.